Okay, I'm going to take you through a steering change for the 1995 Range Rover Classic, changing the power steering pump. First, you want to take a lot of pictures so you know where the belt is. You'll see the steering pump right over there. Actually, that's the alternator is what you're looking at. There's the steering pump on the bottom of the screen. You have to take the belt tension off, and then you can start undoing the bolts to take the steering pump out. There are 2 bolts in the back, which you really can't see. So you have to find those once it's out. I took it out with the plumbing attached. I think it makes it easier. This shows the steering pump from Amazon, which did not fit. You'll see there's a piece that's interfering on the upper right hand, so I had to cut it down. And here's after it's been cut and reinstalled. There were additional problems with this pump. So not only did I have to cut the pump down to make it fit in the housing, the diameter of the round portion was also 1 millimeter too big, so I had to grind that down. But all in all, actually it worked, and it was about $72.